Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Technics SC-C500 stereo system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this unit, not connecting to something or not working, or if it's not playing, not making sound, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just for whatever reason want to get everything wiped off of it so you can set it up like a new device, we can go ahead and do that. It's quite easy to do on this unit. We're going to do it just straight from the menu on the display of the unit using the remote control to navigate. And it's really just only a few button pushes. All we need to do is hit the setup button to open the setup menu. Once we hit the setup button and open the setup menu on the display, we're just going to use the arrows to toggle down to the word initialization, and then hit the OK. And then all we need to do is just toggle up or down so that it's highlighted in yes, hit OK, let it do its reset, and then you can also reset the memory. Just hit yes again, toggle to yes again, and everything will reset and you can set it up like a brand new unit.